This is how I prime these engines after an overhaul. 6.0 Powerstroke. Went through the whole engine, pistons, rings, gaskets, heads. It's a 30 over ARP studs, pretty much a bulletproof. Like to prime this oil system before put it in the truck. So this is how I rig it up. Oil pressure gauge up to 100 psi. Hook it up where the oil pressure sensor is. Engine's already filled up. Took pretty much 20 quarts, 15 W40. He took all the spark plugs out, so engine turned out faster. So yeah, just a regular battery, cables, ground, constant power on a top post, and this is the signal here. So yeah, that's pretty much it.